እሺ እንደምናመሻችሁ። ያው በኔትወርክ መቆራረጥ ምክንያት ሌሰናችን ዴሊቨር ማድረግ አልተቻለም። በቪዲዮ እዚሁ ጋር ሼር ላደርጋችሁ ሞክራለሁ። ላስት ታይም ዊ ሃቭ ሲን አባውት ሲቲንግ አሬንጅመንትስ one type which is linear arrangement. linear arrangement ላይ ያየናቸው ሩሎች አሉ። based on those rules and tips we are going to solve these questions. I hope እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች ለእናንተም ልከናል፣ ቀድማችሁ የሰራችሁት ይመስለኛል። so let's begin with this question. People are sitting in two parallel rows containing 3 people each, such that they are equidistant from each other. In row 1 there are 2 rows. In row 1 3 people are sitting. Ria, Bena and Sema are seated, and they are seated facing south. ሶስት ሰዎች ናቸው። they sit facing south. On the second row, which is this, Raul, Dave and Nia are seated, and all of them are facing north. So we have drawn our lines here. Therefore, in the given sitting arrangement, each member seated in a row face another member of the row. So they are facing each other ማለት ነው። So Bena is sitting in the middle, since Bena is on the first row and he is or she is seated on the middle. Dave is to the immediate right of Raul. Dave and Raul are on row 2. So since their direction determines which one is left or right, since the second row they are facing to the north, this will be our right and this will be our left. And when they are facing to the south, this will be our left and this will be our right. So Dave is in the immediate right of Raul. Dave and Raul are on the second row. They are facing north. So immediate right of Raul ነው ያለው Dave. Raul አለ። ከራውል ቀጥሎ there is Dave. So there is one person between Raul and Nia. So on the second row, Raul, Dave and Nia are on the second row. So there is one person between Raul and Nia. So the middle person will be Dave. So Nia will be here. So Nia, Dave, and Raul are sitting like this. Nia is facing Sema. Nia is this one, so she is facing Sema. Sema is on the first row. She is facing Sema. So one place left here. That one left on the first row is Ria. All right. So this is the arrangement. So our question, which of the following is at the end? So A, Dave. Dave is not at the end. Dave is at the middle of the second row. Bena is also at the middle person of the first row. Ria is at the end. Ria and Raul is at the end also. Sema is at the end, and Nia is at the end. So on the given choices, only Ria is at the end row. This is our answer for question number 1. So this is the answer given. As we can see that Ria is at the end. This is our arrangement. On the second question, it is about car exhibition arrangements. There are 7 cars arranged: Cadillac, Ambassador, Fiat, Maruti, Mercedes, Bedford, and Fargo. They are standing facing east in the following order. So here we draw our lines like this, facing to the east. This is east direction, and this is west direction. So since they are facing to the east, we draw lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So these all cars are facing, they are standing facing to the east. Since they are facing to the east, this will be our right and this will be the left side. So Cadillac is next to the right of Fargo. It says next to. Cadillac is next to right of Fargo. So there will be Fargo. There will be Fargo. Then there will be Cadillac. It is next to the right of Fargo. Fargo is 4 to the right of Fiat. Here is Fargo. Here is Fargo. So Fargo is here. So it is 4 to the right of Fiat. Here still the right one, the right direction is this one. So that we put Fiat here and we count 1, 2, 3, and 4. The fourth one is Fargo. Fargo is the right, the fourth to the right of Fiat. Maruti car is between Ambassador and Bedford. So Maruti will be between Ambassador and Bedford, or between Ambassador and Bedford. We can say that Ambassador, then Maruti, and then Bedford in one of the two ways. Maruti car is between Ambassador and Bedford. Fiat, which is third to the left of Ambassador. Fiat is this one. So it is third to the left of Ambassador. This direction is left. So ከአምባሳደር በሶስተኛው በኩል ነው ካለ we are going to count like this. Fiat is here, so it should be 1, 2, and 3. So Ambassador should be here. If Ambassador should be here, so the placement we take for Maruti car is between Ambassador and Bedford like this. So Maruti will be here and Bedford will be here. So we have arranged our cars like this: Cadillac, Fargo, Ambassador, Maruti, Bedford, and Fiat. There is one car left. We have put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars, and we left with the last car, which will be placed on the last place. So our arrangement will be Fiat here, then Bedford, then Maruti, then Ambassador, isn't that Ambassador? Then after Ambassador we put Fargo, then we put after Fargo Cadillac, and the last row will be Mercedes. So we answer the question based on this arrangement. Which of the following group of car is the right of Ambassador? Which of the following group of cars is the right? Next alalan, it just asks us right of Ambassador. So Ambassador is here. Fargo, Cadillac, and Mercedes will be on the right of, this is the right side, on the right of Ambassador. So that are Cadillac, Fargo, and Maruti, no. Mercedes, yes. Cadillac, yes. Fargo, yes. Maruti, Bedford, and Fiat, no, they are at the left. Bedford, Cadillac, and Fargo, this is not the answer, so our answer will be B. So this is the arrangement here, as you can see it. This is the arrangement. So by systematically applying the given condition, we can determine the exact arrangement of the 7 cars, starting with the constraints that Fiat is at one end and the third to the left of Ambassador. We establish the Ambassador, we establish the basic framework. So ቅድም ስንሰራ አይታችኋል። መጀመሪያ ለብቻው ነው የሰራ ነው። እዚህ ጋር ከሰራን በኋላ ነው አሬንጅመንቱን ያስቀምጥ ነው። እዚህ ጋር ከሰራን በኋላ ነው አሬንጅመንታችንን ያስቀምጥ ነው። ኦኬ ሪሜምበር አሁንም ደጋግሜ የምነግራችሁ ዳይሬክሽን ዲተርማይንስ which side is left, which side is right. Okay, question number 3. On question number 3, there are 5 people, A, B, C, D, and E are sitting on bench with the following condition. When we see bench, a bench is እንዲህ አይነት የድሮ ወንበር አይነት ነገር ነው። የዛ አይነት መቀመጫ ነው። So this arrow, it is linear arrangement now. It is linear arrangement. So what are the positions given? So on this position, we haven't given a direction. So we take the direction, if not given, to the north. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So position constraints: A is sitting next to B, C is sitting next to D. A is sitting next to B, which means this side or this side. C is sitting next to D. C also sits next to D. Okay. C is on the second position from the right. So since they are on the north direction, facing north direction, this will be right, this will be left. C is second position from the right. So this is C is here. A is to the right of B. A is to the right of B. A የሚገኘው በዚህኛው በኩል ሳይሆን በዚህኛው በኩል ማለት ነው። This is the right of A is to the right of B ካለን የምናየው A is to the right of B ካለን የምንወስደው ከቢ በራይት በኩል ነው የሚገኘው ማለት ነው። A good. D is not sitting with E. D ከኢ ጋር አልተቀመጠም ወይም አይቀመጥም። Who is on the left end of the bench? So this is our left end. So E is here ማለት ነው። E is on the left end of the bench and it doesn't sit with D. ቅድም ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ስናወራ አምብራን C is sitting next to D ተብሎ ተቀምጦልናል። So ከዲ ኔክስት ነው የተቀመጠው C, but D is not sitting with E. So ዲና ሲን ዲ እዚህ ጋር ማምጣት አንችልም ማለት ነው። A and C are sitting together. A እና C ደግሞ ቱጌዘር ነው የተቀመጡት ተባለ። ሶ A እና C ቱጌዘር ነው የተቀመጡት። ዲን እዚህ ጋር ማምጣት አንችልም ሲንስ ከሲ የተቀመጠው ከዲ ኔክስት ስለሆነ ሶ እዚህ ጋር ማን መቀመጥ ይችላል ማለት ነው? ዊ ካን ሶ ኤን እዚህ ጋር አለች ዜን ዜር ኢዝ ቢ ሶ ዊ ፑት ቢ ሂር ሶ አንዱን የቀረን ሶ ዊ ፑት ዲ ሂር ዚስ ዊል ቢ E, B, A, C, and D are our final arrangement. So in which position is A sitting? Between B and D? Is it between B and D? No. Is it between B and C? Yeah, definitely. በቢ እና በሲ መካከል ነው ኤ የተቀመጠው። ሲ between E and D በኢ እና በዲ we can say is between but it's not exactly አመንግ ነው እንጂ የምንለኘው ቢትዊን አንልም። ቢትዊን is in between ቢትዊን ስንል በሁለት ነገሮች መካከል ነው። but A is among and በኢ እና በዲ መካከል ውስጥ ባሉ ፊደሎች መካከል አንዱ ነው። ዲ ላይ ስንመጣ between C and E it's not, so the answer will be it is between B and C. Let's see our solution. So as we have set them here, EBSCD. EBSCD is our final arrangement. So according to the question, A is sitting next to B. It means B will sit to the left of A. But we determine that one after making our arrangements. Let's look for the next question. This question 2006 ወይ 2005 ላይ መሰለኝ ማትሪክ ላይ መጥቶ የነበረው። So a member of multidisciplinary team of researchers, sociologists, psychologists, lawyer, historian, and economists are sitting in a line. So since they are sitting in a line, it is a row. One of the two person at the farthest ends is the sociologist, and the other one is the psychologist. So sociologist and psychologist, or psychologist and sociologist, in one of the ways they are in row ላይ ነው ያሉት። The lawyer is sitting right of the historian. As you can see it here, direction አልሰጠንም, so we take our direction north. So the lawyer is sitting the right of the historian. So this is right, this is left. So the lawyer is sitting right of the historian. It should be like this, historian and lawyer. Okay. It says sitting to the right of. Immediate alarm ግን to the right of. The economist is to the left of the psychologist. ኢኮኖሚስቱ ከሳይኮሎጂስቱ ሌፍት ነው ካለን ሳይኮሎጂስቱ እዚህ ጋር ሊሆን አይችልም ማለት ነው። ቢኮዝ እዚህ ጋር ምንም ልናስቀምጥ የምንችለው ነገር ሲንስ ኢት ኢዝ ኢንድ ላይን ወይም ኢንድ ፈርዘስት ኤንድ ስለሆነ ሶ ኢኮኖሚስት ዊል ቢ left of the psychologist. So economist will be here. The historian is sitting between the sociologist and the lawyer. So historianu እዚህ ጋር ይቀመጣል ማለት ነው። ሶ ሮዋችን ስናስቀምጥ አንድ ሁለት ሶስት አራት አምስት ሰው ስለሆነ አንድ ሁለት ሶስት አራት አምስት ሶ እዚህ ጋር ሳይኮሎጂስት ይመጣል ዴን the economist ይቀጥላል then the lawyer ይቀጥላል then the historian ይቀጥላል then the sociologist ይቀጥላል. Once we get this arrangements, it's going to be easy for us to answer. So to whose left is the lawyer sitting? To whose left is the lawyer sitting? As you can see, the lawyer is here, left side is here, so the lawyer sitting next left to the economist, isn't it? ከሂስቶሪያኑ ግን በራይት ነው ያለው፣ ከሶሺዮሎጂስትም በራይት ነው ያለው። ሶ the answer will be A. ወርክሽታችሁ የተሰጣችሁ ጥያቄ ላይ ስሩት ብዬ እንደዚህ አስቀምጬላችኋል። ከዛ እዚህ ጋር ስትመጡ አምስተኛው ላይ ማለት if the psychologist and the lawyer swap their positions and the economist and the historian also swap their positions, the arrangement becomes ምን አለ ሳይኮሎጂስቱ ኤንድ ሎየሩ ፖዚሽን ቢቀያየሩ ሳይኮሎጂስቱ ኤንድ ሎየሩ this and this, if they change position, the economist and the historian also swap their position. ኢኮኖሚስቱና ሂስቶሪያኑ ምን ያደርጋሉ? ፖዚሽናቸውን ይቀይራሉ። so the arrangement will become sociologist economist, psychologist, historian and lawyer ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር የተሰጣችሁ ላይ ሁለተኛው ፖዚሽን አልተቀያየረም። ሁለተኛው ፖዚሽን መቀያየር የሚኖርበት ጥያቄው ይጠይቀኝ ነው ሳይኮሎጂስቱና ሎየሩ ብቻ ቢቀያየሩ ነው የነበረው ጥያቄው። but one line is added here, the historian also swaps their position ብሎናል። so that in order to follow ሂስቶሪያኑና ሎየሩ አንድ ላይ መሆን ስላለባቸው and ኢኮኖሚስቱና ሳይኮሎጂስቱ አንድ ላይ መሆን ስላለባቸው ፖዚሽኑ በዚህ አይነት መልኩ ይቀየራል ማለት ነው። so that who will be sitting to the left of the historian? ከሂስቶሪያኑ በሌፍት በኩል ማን ይቀመጣል? since the left side is this one, ከሂስቶሪያኑ በሌፍት በኩል የምናገኘው which is going to be the psychologist ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሳይኮሎጂስት እና ሎየሩ ቦታ ሲቀያየሩ still the historian እና the economist also ይቀያየራሉ because of the given scenario on the question, because the lawyer is sitting ቱ ዘ ራይት ኦፍ ዘ ሂስቶሪያን ስላለ ከሂስቶሪያን ቀጥሎ ነው ያደረግነው ሎየሩን። ከዛ በኋላ ስትመጡ ዘ ኢኮኖሚስት ኢዝ ቱ ዘ ሌፍት ኦፍ ዘ ሳይኮሎጂስት ስላለንም እንደዛው ይህን አሬንጅመንት እናስተካክለዋለን ማለት ነው። ሶ መልሳችን ኤ ይሆናል። ስድስተኛውና የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ ይሄ ነው። ሶ ስድስተኛውና የመጨረሻው ጥያቄ ላይ 5 ልጆች አሉ who are sitting in the row with the following conditions that must be satisfied simultaneously, which means S is sitting next to P but not T. S ከፒ ቀጥሎ የሚቀመጠው ግን ከቲ ግን አይደለም። ኔክስት ቱ ማለት እንደምታውቁት ሮው ይሄ ቢሆን ኔክስቱ ወደዚህም ሊሆን ይችላል ወደዚህም ሊሆን ይችላል። ራይት እና ሌፍት ተብሎ ስላልተነገረ ኬ ኢዝ ሲቲንግ ኔክስት ቱ አር ሁ ኢዝ ሲቲንግ ኦን ዘ ኤክስትሪም ሌፍት ይለናል። ኦን ዘ ኤክስትሪም ሌፍት ዳይሬክሽን አልተነገረንም። ሶ ዊ ቴክ ሌፍት ሂር ሲንስ ዊ ቴክ ዘ ዳይሬክሽን ኖርዝ አድርገን ዳይሬክሽን የምናስብ እስከሆነ ድረስ ሌፍቱን ይሄን እንወስዳለን። ሶ ኬ ከአር ቀጥሎ የተቀመጠው አር ኢዝ ሁ ኢዝ ዘ ኤክስትሪም left, R will be here, so that K will be here. We take the position of R and K like this. T is not sitting next to K. T እዚህ ጋር አይቀመጥም ማለት ቲ እዚህ ከኬ ቀጥሎ አይቀመጥም። ኢፍ ከኬ ቀጥሎ አይቀመጥም ከተባለ ኤንድ ላይ ደግሞ ኤስ ኢዝ ሲቲንግ ኔክስት ቱ ፒ በት ኖት ቲ ብሎናል። ሶ ዛት ከኬ ቀጥሎ እዚህ ጋር አይቀመጥም። ስቲል ግን ኤስ ኢዝ ሲቲንግ ኔክስት ቱ ፒ ብሎናል። ሶ ዊ ቴክ ቲ ሂር ከኬ ቀጥሎ መቀመጥ አይችልም አንደኛ። ቴን ኤስ ኢዝ ኔክስት ቱ ፒ ከፒ ግን ኔክስት ነው ያለው። ኔክስት ደግሞ በነገርኳችሁ መሰረት ወይ ወደዚህ ነው ወይ ወደዚህ ነው። ሲንስ ምን እስካልተሰጠን ድረስ ኔክስት ቱ ሌፍት ወይም ራይት እስካልተባለን ድረስ ሶ ኤስ ሹድ ቢ እዚህ ጋር ኤስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ኤስ ይሆናል። እዚህ ጋር ኤስ ይሆናል። ዴን የቀረችው ቦታ ላይ ዊ ፑት ፒ this will be the final arrangement. ሶ ጥያቄው ላይ ስመጣ who are sitting adjacent to S ከኤስ adjacent is ጎን ለጎን ሶ ከኤስ adjacent ፒ አለ ከኤስ adjacent ኬ አለ። ሶ our answer will be K and P. That is the linear arrangement part exercise. I hope you have understood well. ሩሎቹን always start with most restrictive conditions first, then build arrangement step by step. ከዛ በኋላ each given conditionን ሚት ማድረጋችሁን ሜክ ሹር አድርጉ። ሁልጊዜ በተቻለ መጠን draw a diagram. Don't forget that direction determines ሌፍት ኤንድ ራይት ሳይድን ዲተርማይን እንደሚያደርግ አትርሱ። ደብል ሮ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ፌሲንግ ኢች አዘር ሊሆን ይችላል። እንደ ክላስ ግን አሁን ስትቀመጡ ዩ አር ናት ፌሲንግ ኢች አዘር ኢዝንት ኢት ኤቭሪባዲ ኢዝ ፌሲንግ ኖርስ ካልተነገረን ኦር ኤቭሪባዲ ኢዝ ፌሲንግ ሳውስ ከተነገረን ሶ ፌስ ቱ ፌስ ከተባልን ግን አንደኛው ሮ ወደ ሳውዝ ነው፣ አንደኛው ሮ ወደ ኖርዝ ነው የሚሆነው።